Alright, here we go with another one. Today's Monday, August 11th. It was an interesting day here. I was able to catch most of this move down. I was honestly bullish for the majority of the morning until I saw the break here and decided to just go short for the sell side. And this sell side right here, the last sell side taken. Covered a little bit on my Instagram. If you want to follow it, it's right there. You can check that out. But what are we looking for right now for today? I don't know if I can trust this displacement here after we took the sell side. Looks like we inverse this fair value gap. Made Monday's low. New day opening gap's gonna happen here in the next 13 minutes. So I want to see if I want to see how we open. If we're gonna gap up, gap down, and might give it a 30 minute range to form, up to an hour. See what price decides to do in the first macro, and we'll go from there. Naturally bullish. I think I don't know what came out about the tariffs today. I think a pause, or they're extending the truce. I don't know, something crazy. I'm gonna have to look into that later on today, but I'm gonna look at that and get ready for this day here. Good draws on liquidity here if I want to go bullish. So definitely be my first take profit if I go long, and then if I go short, there's a sell side liquidity. It's a nice one right here. It's on the 1 hour. Doesn't I think it lines up with this one right here, but it's real relative on the 1 hour. Yeah, that right there. Kind of broke structure right here, so I wouldn't be surprised if we take this sell side and then move up. Very possible to come down here too. This is equilibrium of last week's high and low, so I wouldn't be surprised if we draw down to here. We're still within the 23,000s. 23,000 psychological falls way down here. So realistically, I wouldn't be surprised if we come and retest all the way down here, but play it one sell side, one buy side at a time. This is obviously, is this all time high? Oh, it is all time high right here. That's crazy. That's a weird all time high for me, because if you look right here, it was made right at the at London Open here last Thursday at 3 a.m. So I do expect this to run up. It's very, very bullish right now, so I don't want to be playing shorts for too much, unless it gives something real juicy like it did earlier. But even then, I was anticipating for it to turn around at any moment, so I probably won't try shorts today, unless I have a real convincing reason to do it. But I'll wait for I'm trying to catch that reversal back up, but we'll see. Let's see what happens here. It's the next 10 minutes. Oh man, moment of truth right here. Almost got stopped out. I think I had my stop loss like 609 or something. I gotta check, but almost got stopped out. Move my stop up, just in case we break this. I don't want to be part of this anymore. Want to get these equal highs to be taken. Be my first profit right here, and second profit is this Little swing high here. And we can get there. I already have a limit here, but I want to see if I can ride one out till the equilibrium of yesterday's high and low. So we'll see. We're about 9 handles here from getting some profit, hopefully. Just let this thing play out. Alright, let's see. NQ's being a little interesting right now. ES already broke these equal highs, so I wouldn't be surprised if we break them here right now. If we don't, bit of a SMT there, but I really want these to get hit. We'll see. See if we do it before the macro or not, and then use the macro to go higher. But the sell side is really concerning me. I wouldn't be surprised if we move up a little bit, hit this equilibrium from yesterday's high low, and then just roll over. Maybe like midnight open to London open. Maybe expected to reach down here, and then maybe move up, gear up for tomorrow. We'll see. We will see, and we will react. But man, I thought I was gonna do it right now once I saw this impulse at half of the hour, but it's not going. Check out ES. See, these had the equal highs right here. Right there. And then these right here. So that's interesting because it's like NQ is like right here trying to get through. So ES is a little bit stronger for now, but we'll see how long that lasts. Actually went long on ES minis. Might remove my stop loss here just because I can afford it. If it comes down and sweeps us again, I'll probably just re-add and go as far as 8 to 10 micros on this. Because, let's see. Oh yeah, see it shows it right here. Got in right here. Stop loss was this fair value gap. Never went below. Got out right there for a good like 150. And then right now I went in once I saw it's my candy model right here. I'll get into that another day, but once I saw this break these equal highs right here and get above, I was honestly expecting it to get a little bit higher, but so I got out right here at the little candy model here. And see, interesting to see, but this right here maybe like 300 bucks, so I'll be good with the with this NQ trade. I'm surprised it hasn't taken these equal highs out, but we'll see. Let it play out. Unless price starts really moving right now, I'll come back at the macro just so I'm not killing too much time here. Oh my god, this is insane right here. Look at this sideways action. Just thought for sure here in the macro we would get something, but we didn't. Thought this turn of the hour would do something. Almost hit it, but right there in Q, just break, bro. Come on. Take off all these little. See what was made in the macro here. Anything interesting? We are bullish, so I like this order block right here. I'm gonna annotate it. And there's the 1 minute fair value gap. This one wasn't made in the macro, but it's half of the hour, I think. Yeah, half of the hour. Well, it's these two right here, but it's right there. I'll just keep it here. That's crazy. It's only 10 handles away. You can't just push up. A lot of liquidity though right here. It's a nice pull. It's only a matter of time before it takes it out. Are these equal highs? 646.25. Oh no, almost, but relative equal highs right there. These equal highs got taken out here, but then there's relative equal highs there and there. So relative equal highs here, relative equal highs here. Nice swing low, cut into this. Yeah, should move up here, but you know, NQ has a mind of its own. Let's see if see how ES is running compared to NQ. MES on my phone. Same thing, just kind of stuck there in that same range. Same. Of course. Very ugly price action right now, though, to be honest. Might be a long night, but I'm gonna catch this run. It's one of those patient ones, but I'm gonna let this run before it becomes a super long video. I was hoping for a 30-minute video. I thought we were gonna blast off to at least the equilibrium of yesterday's high and low, but we haven't even done that. I'm just battling the Ndog still. Almost lost it. Tapped into it a few times here in the macro, so we'll see. We'll see how we react right here. I'm not really liking this, but you know, it ain't manipulation if it ain't manipulating. So we'll let it manipulate, do what it's got to do, and probably cut it. Original stop loss, we get to like 605 right here. Keep my eyes on the 605 level. A lot of people always ask me why I don't have the stop loss right here. Sometimes I do, you'll see it. It's just a very psychological thing, to be honest. Sometimes, you know, when I'm taking partials like this, it messes with my mind. Like, man, is this silly of me going with the 5, you know, way down here, and I'm taking partials here and here with the runner up here, but it's been working out for a few months for me, you know. So I guess that's my edge right now. And we'll see if we can get up here to these equal highs. Take 2 off the table at least. Yeah, 5 is, I feel pretty comfortable trading 5, but at the end of the day, that is half a mini, and you better play your stop losses tight with half a mini, because if this starts rolling against you, you let that hopium and just beginner trader emotions take over, you'll be in big trouble. And it's a lot easier to lose 200 than to make 200, 3, 4, whatever number, you know. It's psychological, real life psychological. Because right here, before, I used to see things like this, and I would see that I wouldn't be piercing, and you know, the black candles, bearish candles are a lot stronger, but I am bull bias. And like right here, I would just start cutting, you know, cutting contracts, and then eventually would push up, and it would have never hit my stop loss, you know. And it's just like, man, you have to let them run. You have to leave it alone, set and forget, whatever you want to call it. But just be monitoring at all times, because anything could happen at any moment. See, like right now, this candle looked like it was about ready to just take off, and just making lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower high, deeper low, deeper low, deeper low, deeper low. So we'll see right here. It's getting down to the moment of truth. Just very sideways action here. But yeah, we'll let it play. Sheesh, patience, patience. That was beautiful right there. Oh, that was quite the consolidation here for well over an hour. Just sitting here staring at this, but see if we can keep this impulse up and keep running. I feel like it's done a lot of work here. Shouldn't have to come back down here, but anything could happen at any moment. We react, we don't predict. So let's see if half of the hour can push it up a little bit higher and start trying to go for a run here. There's another good draw on liquidity too. That first presented fair value got post 931. Might even just take one off here and then I don't like that. That's because it could hit its head right here and then just never cross above into this territory. We'll see though. Let's see the reaction off this pump. Let's see if this is just a fake out. Was able to get out nicely though. Can't complain there. Order block right at the top of this equal highs. No, that's a good little confluence here. We got a bullish fair value gap in the 1 minute. And then we have a order block here. Mean threshold 655.75. So let's see if we can use this and start going up. 55.75. See how we react to this level here. And should be trying to get a lot of the shorts out, so I wouldn't be surprised if we get a nice impulse here. If we get here, I'll be done for the night. I'll come back tomorrow at 9:30. So I'm really hoping we can get here. It's a good 30, 34, 35 handles from here, so that would be quite the move right now in the after hours. Yeah, that was a boring macro. Look at that. Didn't really offer nothing. Just made more relative equal highs. That liquidity pool I was telling you guys about not too long ago. We blasted through that right to the equal highs. Boom. Made an order block right here. And we're battling the medium threshold right there. Let's see what we do. We'll let this play out. Oh, let's see. Let's see, moment of truth. See what it does here. Not liking this, to be honest, but we'll see if this was liquidity grab. This looks pretty okay. Let's see. This candle should tell us right here. Buy into that order block right here. I'll get out. Just micro scalping here. Yeah, I didn't want to see it come down this low, but we'll see. That's just manipulation right now. Oh, that was low. Oh, man. Let's see. I opened a long on S&P, a mini, so I'm really just managing this trade right now. If it loses Ndog, I'll close the mini, but I don't want it to get that low. Let's see. Moment of truth. Let it play out. Alright, I'm gonna let this macro play out, see what it does. If it gets close to this price, I'll start recording again. I just don't want this video to be extra long. But if you're enjoying this and if you're here, if you're listening, like, subscribe, drop a comment, I'll comment back, and keep doing this for as long as I can. Let's see, macro, give us something. This put very important fair value gap here because this is a big fair value gap that dropped the price. You know, took sell side right here, continued even lower, but that was the first imbalance that it made, and right in the macro 9 p.m. macro. So we saw how it treated it right here. Came in, it was just very bearish right here. Now we're managing we broke above it, closed above it. Wondering if this is just a slight pullback before we can go up, and the next draw on liquidity will be these equal highs. Well, this fair value gap here, I don't want to see it act as a breakaway gap for the down, but this right here kind of convinced me that it's not. Just because if it was, I mean, unless this is a manipulation continuing down, then it could very much be that. But I want to see it get above this and not spend too much time here. Wick this out. Even if it falls after that, I'll be good because I'll be down to one contract, and then my main terminus is up here, which is the equilibrium of yesterday's Monday's high low. So we'll be here, and I'm not sure if you guys are watching the little alerts right here, but I closed the mini, the S&P mini. It was scary because it was right here, and I had my finger on the trigger about to close it out, and right when it hit the top of the Ndog, it just bounced. So Got out of that one. Here, I'll show you guys. Yes. Ooh, that one had my stomach hurting. There it is, see? Got in, drawdown, and then, let's see, the Ndog. Let's draw it out on this one just for fun. Just the 1 minute. Yeah. We'll draw the Ndog on here. And 396 is right there. So yeah, see, got in right here, bounced off. That's why I got in. Oh no, wait, this one right here was off this fair value gap. Right there. Just saw that. Oh no, how was just that? Oh, was this fair value gap? I'm sorry. And that's what I was using as cushion, the one down there. So I saw I got underneath the consequent. I thought this was going to be the last leg before it pushed up. It didn't though. Drawdown. And had my stop loss way down here. But what I was really aiming for was these equal highs. But these are minis. You got to be careful with the minis. Gotta be real careful. But see, even this right here was like 50 bucks, 75 bucks. So it's not bad. Practice makes perfect. So see what we get here. Let's see. Turn of the hour here. 10 p.m. That all-time high is looking extra sus to me, just because it was made in a London Open. It wasn't even in the New York session. It was London session. So I feel like they're gonna attempt to take that out, and once they do, they're gonna make it fast. Just candles like this, just right up there. So I'm trying to be too bearish right now. Anyways, I'll be back. Let this thing play out. Alright, I think I'm just going to end this one here. Ended up taking out these equal highs, so I'll do an update tomorrow before I upload this. See if we can get here or not, but more than likely I'll add more to this position. But yeah, let's see. Well, here we are the next day. That's where I left off yesterday, I think, the 10 p.m. macro. Came in right here at midnight dump. we never quite hit the Monday's low again, and we just took off after that. This was scary in the morning. I remember watching this. It's just crazy how I went right to the Ndog and just kept on going, and it's still going right now. All-time highs in the after hours, so it's looking real similar to last time. How I mentioned that the previous all-time high was made. This all-time high was made at right at 3 in the morning. Well, not right at 3 in the morning, but it was made in the London session right here, and we finally took that out today. So obviously very bullish, but I'm at the wait for a nice liquidity grab here. I'm gonna go over the news, not in this video, but I'm gonna look it over and see what news is coming out. But yeah, pretty interesting day. I'm gonna end this video here, and thanks for watching. If you're watching, like and subscribe if you want more videos like this, even though I'm still gonna do it anyway. So before you know it, there'll be 100, 500,000 videos on here on me trading. So yeah, let's get out of here.